Namaste, welcome to Spandy Way. Today, we will see how to cook Paneer Tikka Masala quick and easy way. Heat some oil and then add chopped onions. Now goes green chilli, and then chopped ginger and crushed garlic. Sauteing until golden brown. Now goes salt, chilli powder, turmeric, sugar, and Garam Masala. And now, add tomato puree and chopped tomatoes. Let it simmer. Now, transfer the mixture into a new bowl and then grind the spice mixture. Meanwhile, cut paneer into nice cubes. Add paneer to same karai after heating the oil and fry on both sides until you get nice texture. Make sure that you don't overcook the paneer. After you get nice texture on paneer, add the grinded spice mixture into the karai. And now, add fresh curry leaves. Sprinkle some Kasuri Methi. Add curd. You can also use yogurt instead of curd. Sauteing until cooked. Finally, transfer curry into serving bowl and garnish with fresh coriander. Dhanyavad. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also, please subscribe Spandy Way for more videos.